Hey, Rob here. Got a one door drinks fridge, a customer at their home, and the compressor is going out on internal overload. It's a Danfoss sc12g, and just taking the electrics off. She's going out on where's the electrics? The pins going out on internal overload. So let me see what we can do. So I've got my my test lead on. So I'm doing all of my checking out here. All of my checking out here in comfort. So we got run to start is 21. There's written 21 up there. And start to common is 13.2. 13.2. Okay, and we got run to common is 7.7. Okay, so the common to run, common to start, they equal the start to run. Okay, we turn it on and see what happens. Okay, so I've got the lead still plugged into the compressor, and I've unplugged it from the checking cord. I've plugged into here. Just got to turn it on. I've got 248 volts. Turn it on and see if it runs. So in here is the starting electrics to start anything from this to 1/2 horsepower. This is 3.8, but it'll still start at 3.8 horsepower to 5 horsepower. Let's turn it on and see what happens. Bingo. Started. Okay, so I've got everything else disconnected. So I'll change the, I'll put some all-purpose electrics on and see how it goes. Okay, it's got the wires on here. Obviously the common's at the bottom, so that's the brown wire. And because the common's at the bottom, the run, which is the blue wire, is always on the left. And so I'm just going to finish wiring it up. So the neutral comes in, that's the blue wires there with the connectors. This is the all-purpose relay, so I'm going to cut this off and put it in with the neutral because that's where it goes. So the other wire from the relay, I'm going to put it into, remember this is the red from the start, the other wire from the relay I'm going to put into here, and I'm going to give it a little help. I'm going to give it a 5 UF run capacitor as well, and that's going to go between the start and the run. It will start in the neutral, just to give it a help. This fridge is going to have a wedding cake in it, so I want to make sure. Okay, so everything's wired up. These little capacitors here, and I'll make it nice and neat. Turn her on. Okay, so I'm about to start it up. Got it in my my testing rig. Actually, just made this yesterday. So this has got a Wi-Fi temperature monitor, so I can monitor this from home, and also it's got a voltage monitor, so I can check what's going on. Also, it's got, if my phone runs flat when I'm working on, I've got a USB-C little connector on it, so I can plug my phone if need be. So let's turn it on and see what happens. Okay, beautiful. That's the that would be the amps. I'll check the amps, but I'm pretty sure that's pretty close to the whole unit there is is 3.2 amps, but because I put the run capacitor on, the amperage will be a little bit less, a bit more efficient. And there's the run capacitor up there. There's the relay capacitor there, just strapped there. It's going to be a wedding cake in this on Friday, so I want to make sure it's okay. And this was left running, it was red hot, so we'll just monitor it, make sure it's okay, so they don't lose the wedding cake on the weekend.